Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your Chainlink tokens from Bitmart to Uphold in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll have your Chainlink safely moved over. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Uphold, and that you have some Chainlink tokens in your Bitmart wallet. Also, verify your Uphold account for smoother transactions. It's a quick step that can save you time later. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to your wallet section. Find your Chainlink tokens and select the withdraw option. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details carefully. Step 2. Get your Uphold wallet address. Open your Uphold app or website, go to your Chainlink wallet, and copy the deposit address. Double check that it's for Chainlink. Look for the link ticker to confirm. Step 3. Back on Bitmart, paste the Uphold address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, making sure to leave room for any network fees. Review everything, amount, address, and fees, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Uphold account to confirm the arrival of your tokens. A quick tip. Always use the correct network for Chainlink, which is usually Ethereum, to prevent any lost funds. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from Bitmart to Uphold in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.